Private labeling is a powerful strategy for building a profitable e-commerce business. Start with just $500 to create a custom brand from Alibaba. Private labeling allows you to create a unique product with higher perceived value, leading to better profit margins. Identify a niche with high demand and low competition. Aim for products you can sell at 3 to 5x the cost. Alibaba is a goldmine for affordable product sourcing. Look for verified suppliers with excellent reviews. Create a memorable brand with an eye-catching logo and packaging. Highlight your product's unique value. Set up your Amazon seller account and use Fulfillment by Amazon to handle logistics. Optimize your listing with SEO-friendly titles, descriptions, and professional photos to attract buyers. Promote your product using Amazon PPC and leverage social media to increase visibility. Reinvest your profits to expand your product line and scale your business faster. Track key metrics and use insights to refine your strategies for better sales performance. Success takes persistence. Continuously improve your branding and optimize your listings for growth. With a $500 investment, a clear plan, and dedication, you can build a private label brand that generates significant income.